guys, welcome back to the new DirtBike Lunatic episode. Once again, we're back with another epic collection of moto videos. And in this video, we will show you some of the crazy, angry and exciting moto moments. Stick with us till the end because we got some awesome content to show you. Guys, don't forget to like this video because it helps us a lot. So, let's start. This biker got caught up in the crazy hailstorm, man. It got pretty bad. Check it out. Hiding behind a tree during a storm isn't a great choice because lightning can strike you. But this is the best option this biker had. These bikers recorded a crazy encounter with an angry man who thought that they were following him.
What the your problem following me around town all the time?
Dude, huh? I don't even know who you are.
Yeah, you do. You're around here. My boss was just outside and seen your so whatever. I'm sick of you mother following me around town thinking it's funny. Tell Melissa to go herself.
Who are you? Nobody even know who the you is, dude. You almost hit my guy. I don't know where to put him. There's a big drop off right there. Oh, buddy. Which way are you going? I don't know where to put him. I don't know where to put him. No. If I put him down here, he'll roll. Go around. You see I got a turtle? Go around. Jack leg. There you go, bud. No, I'll put you up there. It's called being a good motorcyclist. I know you're a little bit far, but there you go. Okay.
Oh god, she's covered up my way as well. Did you know you got your rear fog lights on?
Have I? Thank you.
That's alright, no probs.
Did you know that keeping fog lights all the time on can get you in trouble because they are designed for low visibility and they glare more, and that could distract other road users. This biker said that his reaction is perfect example on how not to react. He was angry by the driver's gesture.
No, ma mandando pure a ma che vuoi? Ti sembra normale? Eh? Ah, mo scusa, prima andi a fa...
Nuts. Oh sh. Hey, you good? Hey, you good?
This biker was trying to keep up with his race instructor and, unfortunately, he pushed to the limits. And guys, should we feature more clips from the racetracks or not? Let me know down in the comments.
What's up? Thank you. Okay. Whew. Okay. Are you good? I'm good. Yeah.
Hayır oğlum, hayır. 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 Hayır.
Stay there, jeez. Wow, me. haces? ¿Qué coño haces? No es el intermitente. Intermitente. Que me puedes matar. Normal de mierda. Tarao de los cojones.
And that's it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want more videos like this, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also check out DirtBike Lunatic store and get yourself some DBL merch. Until the next episode guys, ride safe.